We just got out of Tower Hill Station and we're heading to a cocktail bar. But I thought I'd show you guys a little bit of the London vibe while I'm here. So just in front of us is the Tower of London. Doesn't look very festive yet, but they usually have an ice rink that pops up. So probably pop up soon if it's not up already. There is the Tower of London. Cool, look at their fancy dress over there. I mean, that's just their regular attire, I'm not sure. So we're just going to walk along here. Might be a bit soon for ice cream. I know with Tig it's never too soon for ice cream though.
Sorry?
With you it's never too soon for ice cream, is it?
Any day is an ice cream day.
The ice rink isn't up yet, but we might check it out during the festive period. I can't ice skate, but Tig can. So, are you up for that?
I definitely am. And when Kate says I can ice skate, what she means is I don't fall over as much as other people, right?
My version of ice skating is literally just on my bottom, sliding around the rink because I can't stand on them at all. And now with my back injury, I can't think of anything I want to do less currently.
Yeah, I think it's better that you just watch me ice skate now.
Yeah, and if you fall, I can laugh.
Yeah, exactly.
It's funny, actually, this time of year, the Tower of London looks so much more kind of eerie because it's all wet from the rain and it's kind of dripping down the brickwork and stuff. So we've got some Christmas trees up. The Tower of London. And there's Tower Bridge over there. So many people think it's London Bridge, but it's Tower Bridge. So, let's carry on. Okay, so as we walk to this bar, I'm going to tell you guys something funny that happened the other day, right? I went for my last treatment with my dentist for this year. It was just another clean. I thought I'll buy some more toothpicks while I'm here. And I brought one with me so I knew the kind of make that I had been given before. And she's like, do you want to pay with card or cash? And I was like, card please. So then I went and tapped the toothpick against the card reader. And I was like, what am I doing? And it was just really funny and ridiculous at the same time. Have any of you guys ever done that? It's just muscle memory and I'm just so used to having the card in my hand. I'm like, doop. But I just hit it with the toothpick. So this bar that we're going to is about 5 minutes walk from here, I think. So hopefully we can sit down and maybe grab some mulled wine or something.
Well, that's so long as I don't get thrown into Traitor's Gate first.
Don't get thrown into Traitor's Gate. You might be a traitor, but you know, you don't deserve that. No, I'm joking. There we go. Oh, somebody's leaving. That's a kind of cool view of Tower Bridge as well from over here.
Oh wait, no, you just said.
We've got a couple of cannons as well. They're not Christmas cannons. Don't you guys think they should have put some tinsel on them? But you see, then they probably would have been thinking it's making light of war or something, so maybe that's why they didn't.
Yeah, something I didn't realise is they used to actually build and test weapons for export back when Henry VIII was around. So they literally used to export weapons to other countries from here and trial them out inside the tower. Interesting.
Oh yeah?
Can I Let's try them. I think this is an almond. Really tasty. I think the peanuts work a little bit better, but they both taste really nice.
Let's try. The peanuts have more of a like nice crisp to them, whereas the almonds have a slight chewiness to them. But they're both actually really good. Better than the last time. Some seasonal cocktails. They've got Prosecco Ho Ho Ho, Naughty or Spice, got Gingerbread Meritini, Hot Jingle Bells, Mistletoe Mojito, and Claus Napolitan. Aha, I see what they did there. So all the cool fiery seats are gone at the moment. We have just ordered some cocktails. I've got a Prosecco Ho Ho Ho. And Tig, what have you got?
I went for a Naughty or Spice because, you know, I'm kind of spicy and naughty.
There's Tig's and there's mine. So I've got my Ho 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 Prosecco here. So let's get festive with some nice cocktails. That's really good. Let you know what's in it. Okay, you ready? So it's got rhubarb and cranberry gin in it, orange juice, grenadine, Prosecco, and strawberry and cranberries. Pretty tasty. Gets nice and festive. And Tig, what are you gonna have?
So I went for the Naughty or Spice. Oh, that is really good. It's very orangey. You can taste cloves and other things in there. So it's almost like a Christmas take on kind of a whiskey drink. But in here, it's got Captain Morgan Spice Rum, Cointreau, which would be where the orange is coming from, lime juice, Angostura, I can't pronounce that, vanilla syrup, orange juice, lime, cranberries, and mint. Quite concocted.
So this is quite a nice sort of chill place to unwind and have a nice drink outside. There's this cool seating with like nice fire pits and stuff in them, which is kind of cool to keep nice and toasty in the cold winter afternoon. A dolphin and a naked lady, I think. So let's check out some of these little markets that are next to the cocktail bar. Ooh. Baklava.
What do you recommend?
So that's if you like spicy, that's spicy.
Do you like it?
Which would you choose between the spicy and the butcher's choice?
I'm the butcher.
Wow.
That's my choice.
Now, how much is a pack of the butcher's
So yeah, it's £11 for the large ones.
It's really nice. So the spicy one was really cool. When you eat the spicy one, really, really flavourful, like a really well-cooked steak. But like, I'm not a major steak fan, but it's so dehydrated that the density kind of doesn't matter. This one is really good. It just tastes really, really nice, and it's just easy to eat.
Oh yeah. The brownies look good.
They do look good.
They do look good. We cracked and we got a brownie.
We did.
Yeah, this is a Biscoff brownie. Oh, look at that. That looks tasty. No expectations, but let's try it. Oh, it's quite solid. It's nice and gooey, and you got the crispiness of the Biscoff, but the brownie itself doesn't have Biscoff flavour. It's just like a brownie with that biscuit embedded in it. But it is really nice and soft and gooey in the middle.
Maybe we need to bite the middle bit to find out more.
No, it's got Biscoff.
Do you know what I find kind of funny about it? I feel like the flavour of the Biscoff and the flavour of the brownie are both so intense that I can't discern which one I'm eating. I know the Biscoff's there because I can taste it coming through a little bit, but it's almost like they're fighting for dominance. So, though it's nice, I don't know if I would pick a Biscoff one in future.
You can't go wrong with a brownie anyway. Feed me, Seymour. Got cheese is there.
We have loads.
And I see some mulled wine. Mulled wine and cider. And gingerbread gin as well. Okay. And hot chocolate as well. They look quite tasty.
They do.
Hiya, can I get a gingerbread gin, please? Thank you. And one mulled wine as well, please. So, we have got a traditional mulled wine and a gingerbread gin, and these are both served hot. So let's go for it. I've never tried a gingerbread gin before. There's a first time for everything. It smells really nice. Ooh, that's full of flavour. A little bit of a punch from the gin. But it's also really sweet and easy to drink at the same time. I really like that. You can't tell it's gin though, but it's lovely. I don't really like gin, so the fact that I can't tell it's gin too much is actually a good thing. It's really lovely and it tastes so warming and sweet and it's lovely.
Well, that's really good. It's funny, it doesn't taste as like strong in the spice end as I'm used to. The wine itself is so sweet, like really fruity, but like I'm tasting apples and like pears and things like that.
Oh my God, what's
Yeah, I don't know, but it's a very different mulled wine to what I'm used to, but it tastes really, really good. It's really nice.
Tig saw that hot dog stand and thought he wouldn't mind a bit of German sausage, so that's what he's doing. Oh, he looks so lost. He's coming to ask for some advice from the official adjudicator. Oh, that's what he's up to.
Sauerkraut and the cheesy one.
So is that cheese inside it? I wonder, I don't know.
Yeah, it'll be cheesy on the inside.
Ooh. Ooh. It's good, but I'm not getting any cheese. Maybe there is cheese in it, but I haven't got it quite yet. I love sauerkraut anyway, especially in a hot dog. And I'm getting a bit of cheddar now. He loves his hot.
There's cheese oozing inside the hot dog. You can't see it very well.
Lovely winter day in central London. So we're going to be leaving now. Probably got another couple of hours of daylight before it gets dark. Have you had a good time in Central?
Oh yeah, I've had a really good time. Eaten lots of food, had some nice cocktails, drunk some mulled wine. I mean, isn't that like the perfect day?
I'm glad I spent it with you. Oh, joking. No, right, so guys, we'll head off and we'll see you tomorrow, the next Advent instalment. Hope you guys are enjoying this series so far. Until tomorrow, we'll see you guys on the flip side. Whoops. Take care. Bye.